வணக்கம். Zero rated goods. The zero rated goods are products that are not subject to value added taxes, mainly due to their social importance or personal necessities. For VAT purposes, these goods are zero rated and don't have additional taxes levied on them. These products typically include necessities like food, medications, and baby products. Zero rated goods are commonly found in countries like UK that have value added taxes on certain products. In the UK, goods like groceries, water, and prescription drugs are not subject to VAT. The US Congress has brought up the idea of a value added tax on products in the United States, but it has never been passed on a federal level. Consumers can save 5% to 17% from these zero rated goods. Most governments around the world that allowed VAT exemption on certain necessities like the UK did. Zero rated goods help lower the cost of living for citizens even though they may not be aware of it. Now we will see some of the related terms like zero rated goods. 1. Nil rated goods. This type of supply attracts a GST of 0%. Input tax credit cannot be claimed on such supplies. Some items which are nil rated include grains, salt, jaggery, etc. Secondly, exempted goods. This supply includes items which are used for everyday purposes. Since they are basic essentials, they do not attract any GST at all. You will not be able to claim any ITC, that is input tax credit, on such supplies. Some examples include bread, fresh fruits, milk, curd, etc. The next one is non-GST goods. Supplies which don't come under the scope of the GST are termed as non-GST supplies. However, these supplies can attract taxes other than the GST as per the jurisdiction of the state or the country. Some examples of such supplies include petrol, alcohol, etc. So, we have seen some concepts related to zero rated goods.